What's the meaning of americium? Americium. 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 Americium.
Americium is a chemical element with the symbol Am and atomic number 95. It is a synthetic element and is produced by bombarding plutonium with neutrons in a nuclear reactor. Americium is a highly radioactive metal that can emit alpha, beta, and gamma radiation. It has no known biological role and is primarily used in smoke detectors and industrial gauges. Due to its high radioactivity, it must be handled with caution and disposed of properly to avoid harm to human health and the environment.